Word of gratitude coming from the graduating batch 2024 to be delivered by Jo Marie M. Antonio.
Naturog na.
To the honorable members of the Board of Directors who are with us today, our distinguished President, Dr. Tomas Bautista, sir, members of the Academics and Administrative Councils, to our Dean of the Graduate School, Dr. Sabina B. Pascual, ma'am, dear professors and staff, guests, parents, my fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon. Today, as we stand on the threshold of this momentous occasion, we cannot help but reflect on the incredible journey that has brought us here. It is with immense gratitude that we extend our heartfelt thanks to each and every one of you who have played a pivotal role in our academic pursuits. To our esteemed faculty members, especially to my advisors in the graduate school, Dr. Martin and Dr. Fernandez, thank you for your unwavering dedication, guidance, and expertise. Your passion for teaching and commitment to our intellectual growth have shaped us into the scholars and thinkers we are today. Your mentorship has not only imparted knowledge, but has also instilled in us a profound curiosity and a thirst for learning that will endure far beyond these odds. To the dedicated staff who work tirelessly behind the scenes, we express our deepest appreciation from maintaining our campus to ensuring the smooth functioning of our academic programs. Your hard work and dedication have created an environment where we could thrive academically and personally. To our families and friends, especially to my mother and father. My mother, nakasama ko ngayon na nasa likod. Thank you for the sacrifice to work abroad to sustain our educational needs. Thank you for your 21 years of working abroad. And now, you won. You have a doctor now. We owe a debt of gratitude that words cannot fully express. Your love, understanding, and sacrifices have been the bedrock upon which we have built our dreams. Today's achievements are as much as yours as these are ours. And we are profoundly grateful for your unwavering belief in us. And to you, my fellow graduates who have shared this journey with us, thank you for the camaraderie and inspiration. Together, we have challenged each other to reach new heights, overcome obstacles, and celebrate successes. As we embark on the next chapter of our lives, let us carry forward the friendships and memories forged during our time together. In closing, as we mark this milestone in our lives, let us remember that our achievements today are just the beginning. Let us continue to pursue our passions, to make a positive impact on our communities, and to uphold the values of knowledge, integrity, and compassion that have guided us thus far. Thank you once again to everyone who has contributed to the journey. Your support and encouragement have made all the difference. Congratulations to the class of 2024. May our futures be filled with continued success, fulfillment, and endless possibilities. As our graduation song, I Live, may we succeed in life. You and I did it all. Through God's grace, congratulations. Success is not final, and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. But the future is not in the hands of fate, but in ours. Believe you can. Believe we can. With deepest gratitude and warmest regards, congratulations, Batch 2023-2024. Agbiag tayo.
May baka.
For the pledge of loyalty, may we call on Alden B. Adoma, Master in Business Administration.